Today we'll talk about how can you disable Voiceclub on your Emo app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click here on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on settings. That is going to take you to this list. Click here on functions here. Then come to next step here, come here to Voiceclub, click in this sign or this color. So then you click here on confirm, that like you see, so it's going to disable, it's going to restart with us now, then it's going to disable with us here on your Emo app when you just go to your so when you, I'm going to click here on not now. So when you click on your photo profile and you click here on settings, then you click here on functions. Sorry, when you click on it here, that like you see, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.